Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I recorded a video. I believe the last video I did was on some PR stuff that I got. Really wasn't PR. I went to a makeup class and got free makeup. So I did that video last, but today I came home and I was watching a sermon called Marked, Armed and Dangerous, I believe was the title of it, by Pastor Mike Todd out of Oklahoma. And he was just pretty much talking about how, you know, God gives you everything that you need, or you're equipped with everything you need to fulfill your purpose. And so it kind of hit home for me, because I think about like, oh, I love making YouTube videos, but I don't have a camera and I don't have, you know, the MacBook Pro and all this special stuff. All I have is my iPhone. But after listening to his sermon, it made me realize I have everything that I need to do this. So here I am. I decided I would record a makeup tutorial today. But with that being said, I have no idea what I'm gonna do to my face, since this was spur of the moment. So sit back, relax, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. My next video will probably be an apartment tour, because I actually moved. So you guys really liked my last apartment tour, and my apartment was empty. So you can kind of see a little bit back there now, but I'm gonna do an apartment tour hopefully this weekend, because I have like some friends here and they can help me like record everything, you know, so we can be high tech and fancy. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's see what I do to my face. All right, y'all, so I got really good light right now, so I'm gonna try to speed through this, but like I said, I really don't know what look I'm doing. And if you hear my washer and dryer in the background, I'm sorry. Your girl clothes was dirty, so today is laundry day. So to jump right into the tutorial, I am going to be using the Shea Moisture. Sorry, my thing is dirty. But the Shea Moisture Daily Glow Priming Moisturizer all over my face. I'm gonna put that on real quick. A little dab, you know. All right, so now that that is in, I am going to prime my eyes with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel, whatever, tomato, whatever. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my things. So I took the little cap thing off of here and it made it really dirty, but it was a lot of concealer left in here, and I wasn't about to just throw that away, because if you buy that, you know, it's like $30-some, and yeah, it's a lot of product left. So I took that little stopper cap out so I can get full use of all of my stuff. So that's a hack for y'all if y'all use that concealer, or any product for that matter that has those little stoppers, like your lip glosses and stuff like that. Just take that little cap off and get all your product out, because you paid good money for it, right? Let me zoom y'all in, or AKA move my camera closer to my face. I think I'm gonna go in with this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And which one is this? Where's the damn name? Oh, Armed and Gorgeous. So yes, Armed and Gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with this palette. Y'all, I'm all over the place. It's been a minute since I've done this. So I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild fluffy brush right here. It is a little dirty. I used it yesterday. And I am going to be using the color Agent right there. And I'm just gonna use that all over my eye. And if you see me looking off, it is because I have a mirror over here. But I'm just gonna swirl that all over my eye. No, I did not set my, I didn't set the concealer that was on my eyelid, but I hardly ever do. So this is me setting it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that, a little sprinkle, swirl, swirl, tap, tap, action all over my eye. It's not cute, but we getting it on there. And I'm gonna take it out just a little bit. I can clean it up later. Y'all, people are texting the crap out of my phone, or on Instagram sending me stuff. I'm like, normally my phone is dry as hell. Now that I'm trying to record a video, everybody wants to send me messages. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And I hope y'all can see this. So this is Agent by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. The color is Agent, but the palette is Armed and Gorgeous. So with that same palette, I'm gonna go in with the color Secure, and then I'm just going to deepen up what we just did. It almost looks the same, but it's just a tad bit darker. And I'm using the same makeup brush. I didn't change brushes. And the sun is starting to go down. So hopefully my light, ooh, seemed like the light got better. Disregard this out here. I'm gonna clean that up when I get done. I'm gonna go in with Smooth Criminal, which is this little brown. So we just got done using Secure. Now I'm gonna go in with this brown right here, Smooth Criminal. And if you looked in my mirror, you saw my ceiling fan. But the same brush that I just used to blend out around my brow, I'm just gonna use it to deepen up the corners. I'm just gonna do a little pat and a little rub. So now I got that done. I think I want to go in with the Proceed with Caution palette by Makeup Shayla, and I am going to go in with the color Maintenance, which is that color right there. And I'm just gonna put that over this outer corner. So now that I have like just the base part of the eyeshadow the way I want it, I am going to go in with this MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. It's hard for y'all to see it. But anyway, the name of it is MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. And then the color is Flash and Dash. It's just a glitter. Let me show y'all what it looks like without anything. So it's just a glitter, and I'm gonna put that just on this inner section of my eye. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this look before, so just decided I would redo it. But it's super, super pretty. And I'm just gonna take that like up into the crease. A lot of people tell you like to look up so that way you see where your crease is, so that's a good idea too, but I kind of know where mine is, so I'm just gonna rock with it. Freehand it. So I'm gonna go back in with the Proceed with Caution, go back into that color Maintenance just to kind of blend in that outer corner. I know it look a little crazy now, but just wait for it. I am going to do my my foundation real quick, and then I will be right back with the finished look. All right, so here is the finished look. I just popped on a pair of lashes, put a little bit of that same maintain or maintenance, whatever that color was in the Makeup Shayla palette, up under my lash line. And so yeah, here it is for you guys. I hate doing those little slow-mo things. I feel really, really weird. So here's the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.